a first look at the new Old Man Emu upper control arms for the Toyota 4Runner GX470, 460, and Tacomas. Already looks like a cool box. Let's get into it. Some nice caps, looks like dust caps. So those are pretty cool. And then they've got just a little screw in here to tighten them down. Extremely well packaged, better than anything I've ever gotten suspension wise. Those things just come with bubble wrap and some tape. So this is their 1.5 inch ball joint, which is specific to this. So this probably a spare ought to be ordered if you're going remote locations. One of the big benefits is these have really beefy bushings, as you can see. Really nice heavy duty powder coat on there as well. And a greasable zerk here on the top. And then that cap goes on there, I guess. Huh. Interestingly, it appears that once you've greased it, the zerk comes out and then this goes in. Seals that up. Even a little logo on the cap for the ABS. Really high quality. But you see how that just comes off like that? I'm curious to see if that lasts at all. It just seems too loose on there to actually stay in place. Time will tell, of course, but well, it'll be an experiment. We'll see how it goes. First impressions, packaged really well. And certainly very, very stout in its design. But a couple things, interestingly, to see how this works with greasing this. This cap doesn't look like it'll really last, which is a shame because it was a great idea for that bracket. Well, these go on next week. We'll see how they work out.